Measure twice, cut once. No need to redo your DIY when you run it past Pete. Call 0800 80 1080, the resident builder, on News Talk ZB.
J-Frame is an internal framing premium wood solution suitable for a wide range of uses, including residential and commercial framing and also truss systems, and it's proudly manufactured right here in New Zealand. It's also a key ingredient in Waikato-based building company Enough Modular. And with me this morning is owner of Enough Modular, Jock Davey. Good morning to you.
Morning. Good morning,
hey, now,
Peter.
Tell us a little bit about the types of houses that you're building, because it's not just tiny homes, it's also modular.
Yeah, so mostly modular and not so much tiny, but
Sure.
And the modules being 6 metre by 3 metre as standard as the base for our modular home. So I guess we start with and then move on up to whatever's required. And I guess the key benefits for us working in a controlled environment, we've set up systems where we can use in-training labour, we can oversee and because sourcing builders is always an issue, and controlling transport costs, we're just taking layers out of the building. We're creating these super strong homes and we can start them before consent's granted sort of thing, or while it's in processing, because there's little risk to us. It's, they're all modules that can be used, reused, or, reproportioned to another building if things go sideways.
Certainly there's a lot of talk in the industry that modular and off-site manufacture is going to be a significant part of the future of the building industry.
Absolutely. And I mean, we saw that as a key area that we wanted to get into. Traditionally been doing site builds to date with all the issues involved there, but and as a modular, it takes care of a lot of those things. There's just so much control. We're really waste sensitive. We always have been. We're not losing time with weather and all those sort of things. It just gives us so much advantage, actually. Yeah.
And all of the framing that you do for all of the construction on-site and off-site is all with J-Frame?
It's all J&L J-Frame, yep. We use it for its straightness, its strength. They also have sensible lengths, which helps us with this, our waste management. And
yes.
We do have very little waste in that respect. And we're taking that layer of straightening out. You build a stick frame home, you're a week straightening it, and then probably another week checking it once it's been in the sun for a bit. So we don't do that.
Yep.
We buy the timber, we know it's straight, we trust it straight, and we use it. We haven't been caught out yet.
Absolutely.
And we're just so much stronger, so much stronger.
And I understand too that you've just started to use some of the J&L Triboard TGV for some of your wall linings. What does that look like?
Yeah, it's great, actually. So, again, very little waste with it. It's new for us, but you're really liking what we're doing. So our ceilings are going up before our roofs are on, and that, for us, that's a layer of, it's safety. There's no nets required. It's part of the building, and we get to, take away that fall protection issue. But liking the smoothness, the lack of stopping, really enjoying the triboard.
So I was going to ask you about how you get them from the factory to the site. It's a standard load on a truck on the highway.
Standard load on the truck on the highway, no pilots, no permits, just a kilometre rate for the truck, and just lift it on, lift it off, either end.
I think it's fair to say that, as I mentioned before, modular housing, off-site manufacture is going to be a big part of the future of the industry. So what does 2022 and beyond look like for you guys?
Well, exciting for us. I mean, we've been a year in the making, getting our systems in place, and we haven't really gone to market yet. So 2022 or late 21 is going to see us, fully go to market. We'll be aiming at minor dwellings, emergency housing, batches, forever homes, farm cottages, you name it. We'll target it and able to do it.
That's pretty broad, so that sounds awesome. I think good on you. For more information about Enough Modular, go to enough.co.nz. Now, to learn a bit more about the J-Frame and the Triboard TGV, check out jnl.co.nz.